Pati Brahmachari are about to bring a huge turning point in Suraj and Isha's lives. Emotions are running high, relationships are about to be tested, and a shocking twist is waiting around the corner. The story moves forward as Suraj and Isha finally arrive in the village to perform the sacred Kuldevi Puja. For Suraj, this ritual carries great importance because it marks the completion of a promise he has been following for a long time. The entire family gathers for the ceremony, hoping for blessings and a peaceful future. However, the atmosphere changes when the priest makes an unexpected prediction. He warns that a dark phase is approaching Suraj's life. His words leave everyone concerned, and uncertainty begins to spread among the family members. While others are worried, Isha refuses to let fear take control. With complete confidence, she declares that no matter what difficulties come their way, she will stand beside her husband and protect him from every challenge. Her determination and courage impress everyone present. Suraj is deeply touched by Isha's unwavering support. For a moment, it feels as if nothing can separate them. The bond between the two grows stronger, and their relationship begins moving toward a beautiful new chapter. What makes this moment even more special is the promise Suraj had made long ago. He had vowed that he would break his celibacy only after the successful completion of the Kuldevi Puja. Now that the ritual is over, the moment everyone has been waiting for finally seems within reach. For the first time, Suraj is ready to leave the past behind and fully accept his relationship with Isha. The emotional distance that once existed between them begins to disappear. Their dreams of building a happy life together finally seem possible. But happiness never arrives without obstacles. Just when Suraj and Isha are about to move closer to each other, a shocking storm enters their lives. Buaji steps forward with a dangerous plan. Unable to accept the growing bond between Suraj and Isha, she decides to create trouble once again. This time, she makes a serious accusation against Isha, questioning her character in front of the family. The allegation shocks everyone. Within moments, the joyful atmosphere turns tense. Doubts begin spreading through the household, and whispers fill the air. Isha is left heartbroken as she finds herself standing in the middle of accusations she never expected to face. Despite her innocence, she becomes the target of judgment and suspicion. The biggest shock arrives when Isha is asked to prove herself through an Agni Pariksha. The demand leaves everyone stunned. For Isha, this is not simply a test. It is an attack on her dignity and self-respect. Once again, she is forced to fight for the truth while others question her integrity. Yet Isha refuses to break. Even in the face of humiliation, she stands strong. Her faith in truth gives her the strength to face every challenge that comes her way. Meanwhile, Suraj finds himself trapped in an emotional battle. On one side stands his family and their expectations. On the other side stands Isha, the woman who has supported him through every difficult moment. This situation forces Suraj to make a life-changing decision. Will he remain silent while Isha suffers? Will he allow false accusations to destroy their relationship? Or will he finally stand beside his wife and protect her against everyone who wishes to separate them? The upcoming episodes promise intense emotions, powerful confrontations, and dramatic revelations. Hidden intentions may come to light, relationships may be tested, and long-standing conflicts could finally reach their breaking point. Most importantly, viewers are eager to see whether Suraj will become Isha's greatest strength during her toughest moment. If he chooses to trust her and fight for her, their relationship could emerge stronger than ever before. But if he hesitates, The consequences may change their lives forever. The coming episodes are packed with suspense, emotion, and unforgettable moments that fans will not want to miss. Will Isha successfully overcome this difficult challenge? Will Buaji's conspiracy finally be exposed? Will Suraj prove his love and trust when it matters the most? And after so many struggles, will Suraj and Isha finally find the happiness they have been searching for? The answers are closer than ever, and the journey ahead promises plenty of surprises.